Rewarded Play cash out delays usually happen because the redemption process has not finished reviewing, processing, or delivering the reward, and checking the status inside the app is the fastest way to find the next step. By the end, you'll know why Rewarded Play cash-outs get delayed, what you can check before contacting support, and what information to include if you need help. Section 1 is understanding why a cash-out can be delayed. When you request a reward, the app needs to process that request before the payout can be completed. A delay does not always mean the reward is lost, or that the account has a problem. Common reasons include account verification, reward processing time, payment service issues, or a request that needs additional review. Start by opening Rewarded Play and checking your reward or cash-out history. Look for the current status of the request and any messages connected to that transaction. Section 2 is checking the most common fixes. First, confirm that your account information is correct. A payment can be delayed if the details connected to your account are incomplete or need updating. Next, check that your app is updated to the latest version available from your device's App Store. An outdated app can sometimes cause display problems or prevent information from updating correctly. You should also check your internet connection and restart the app. Closing the app completely and reopening it can refresh the information shown on your account. If the cash-out still shows as delayed, avoid creating multiple cash-out requests for the same reward. Multiple requests can make it harder to track the original transaction. Section 3 is contacting support the right way. Before reaching out, collect the details support needs to review the issue. Include your account information, the reward amount, the date you requested the cash out, and any status message shown in the app. A clear support request helps the team understand exactly what happened and reduces unnecessary back and forth. Keep screenshots of the cash out status and any confirmation messages. These details can help explain the problem if the delay continues. The key points are simple. A delayed Rewarded Play cash out does not automatically mean the reward is missing. Check the cash out status, verify your account details, update the app, and provide complete information if support is needed. Your next step is to open Rewarded Play, review the pending cash-out details, and contact support with the transaction information if the delay remains unresolved. If this guide helped you fix a Rewarded Play cash-out delay, like the video and subscribe for more rewards app guides.